Hello, I'm Kathy with Above and Beyond Creative Sewing, and today I'd like to go over the new Pfaff Ambition 610. So this is an entry-level machine, however it does have a lot of cool features, including the dual feed system here. This is a great feature. To engage it, we just bring it down like this. Okay, this is a great feature for when you're using like slippery fabrics. It will prevent shifting. Also, if you're a quilter like I am, when you do your piecing, it will prevent the fabrics from shifting, so you really get a nice even feed here with the dual feed. Okay, it also has a larger throat space, and it also has really nice bright LED lighting, so you no longer have to squint with those old bulbs. Okay, it also has a nice variety of different stitches, including lots of utility stitches, including the buttonholes, quilting stitches, needle art stitches, satin stitches, decorative stitches, and it also has a few sewing technique stitches. So when let's pick a decorative stitch to stitch out. We're going to do number 82. What's nice about this machine also is when you hit this I button here for information, it's going to tell you what foot you're going to need to use. So here it recommends you use the 2A, which is the decorative stitch foot, and it also recommends that you put some stabilizer behind your fabric so that it will hold the stitches in place. And this is the tension here, which you don't have to mess with. So that's with the information button. Right next to that button is the toolbar button. So if you hit that, you can tell this machine what you're going to be using. If you want to switch your needle or so on, that's how you would do it on this machine. And also, this machine comes with a whole bunch of different feet. And if you have other feet, like the 1/4-inch foot or so on, it will also work with this machine. So, but this comes standard with the zipper foot. It also has the blind hem foot. This is your decorative stitch foot with IDT or dual feed. And then this is the decorative stitch foot without it. So this won't work because this is blocked off here. And then also, this is your buttonhole foot. So this machine does do automatic buttonholes as well. Okay, so that's the, I'm sorry, I also forgot to mention here the speed control. This is a really neat feature as well. So you can bring yourself down all the way here to slow if you're sewing like appliques or patches. And then if you're piecing, like chain piecing especially, if you're like me, pedal to the metal, you can go all the way full control, full speed. So that's pretty neat. So that's right on the front of it for you. Okay, so in a nutshell, that is the new Pfaff Ambition 610. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.